Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 5 of class 6 subject English, the comprehensive, the book exercise we are going to do. I hope you have completed the difficult words and the new words in your notebook. Okay, now comprehensive, fill in the blank. The first one, Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose was born on 30 November. So write 30 November. November. Next we have Bose used to breed dash in a pond when he was child. So write frogs, 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 and fish, fish, fish. Third one, while in dash, Bose studied at St. Xavier's School, Calcutta, 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 bracket, Kolkata, Kolkata, Kolkata. Now it is called Kolkata. Okay, next. Bose wanted to widen his knowledge and dash new things. It is discover, right? Discover, discover. Next, Bose was a pioneer in the field of wireless technology, that is WIRELESS, wireless technology, TECHNOLOGY, technology. Bose never had the opportunity to work in fully equipped scientific laboratory, LABORATORY, laboratory. So you have to do this in your textbook. Next we have answered the following questions. Okay, first one we have, what was Bose like as a child? So answer is, from an early age he was full of questions. He wanted to know about everything that happened around him. He was curious about everything. Question number 2 we have, what was the role of Bose's parents in shaping his character? Jagdish's parents took great interest in his upbringing and helped shape in strong and courageous character. Question number 3, why did Bose discontinue study medicine? Because he could not tolerate the atmosphere in the dissecting room. Answer 4, why was Bose considered a good teacher? He was considered a good teacher because he taught his students to observe, to experiment and to think without depending only on books and teachers. Question 5, why didn't Bose accept any money from his inventions? Bose never accepted money for his inventions as he felt that knowledge cannot be anyone's personal property. Question number 6, what was his contribution to literature? In 1896, he wrote a short story called Runaway Cyclone, which was published in a magazine. This story is considered to be one of the earliest works of science fiction in Bengali. Okay children, now coming to the page number 38, we have answered these questions with reference to the context. Now, this is not a laboratory but a temple. Who said these words? So answer is, Jagdish Chandra Bose said these words. Second one, when did the speaker say this? The speaker said this while inaugurating the Bose Institute in Kolkata. What do these words tell you about the speaker? These words tell us that he loved science and was passionate about his work. Second, a born scientist, he learned many things by studying at home on his own. Who is the born scientist here? Jagdish Chandra is a born scientist here. Why has the person being called a born scientist? Quote line from the passage to justify this. He used to breed frogs and fishes in a pond near his house, so he had been called a born scientist. He would pull out germinating plants to observe their root system. What did the person do later in life to justify this? title. So, Bose returned to India in 1885 after getting his BSc degree from London University and became the first Indian to be appointed as the Assistant Professor of Physics at Presidency College, Calcutta. The contribution of Chandra Bose in the field of science can numerous. He was pioneer in the field of wireless technology, which eventually led to the invention of the radio. Okay, children. Now we are going to do vocabulary. Match the words in the column A with their meaning in column B. Okay. So first one, curious, eager to learn or know. So you have to write here number 1. Second one, breed, cause an animal to produce offsprings in the control or an organized way. Write number 2. Observe, watch something carefully. 3. Achievements, it is something that is accomplished through hard work or ability. Write 4. 5 is numerous, it is many. 6th, contribution, something that you give or do in order to help someone achieve something. 6th one. Now we have page 40. Fill in the blanks with appropriate models. We dash always respect our elders. We must. M-U-S-T, must. Second, sir, you spare a minute for me. Could. C-O-U-L-D, could. I dash speak English fluently. I can. C-N, can. We dash inform the police about the theft. We must. M-U-S-T, must. Dash I carry this suitcase for you. It is may. M-A-Y, may. Mala, dash I use your new pen for a little while. It is can. C-A-N, can. Jatin and Sudha, dash come for dinner tomorrow. Should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Okay. Next we have page number 42. Add semicolons, colons, hyphens and dash to complete these sentences. First one, his mother-in-law has come to visit us. So you have to do hyphens in mother-in-law. I will get many gifts. Today is my birthday. So it is semicolon. Now, to bake a cake, you need many ingredients: flour, egg, butter and baking powder. So you have to do colons after ingredients. The soldier will be hurt. Will be court martialed. So it is hyphen. Okay. In between court martialed. All 4 of them, Seems, Asafa, Rajat and Bala, cleared their entrance exam. So it is dash after them. Bunny, my favorite rabbit is small but white and furry. So you have to hyphen after bunny. The passers-by stop to see the monkey performing interesting act. So you have to give the dash between passer-by. With this we have completed the chapter number 5, book work and the question and answers. So you have to do the answer the following question, difficult words, word meaning, who said to whom in your notebook. Rest everything, the fill in the blanks or the vocabulary, the grammar portion. Okay, this all things you have to complete in your textbook only, and you have to read the chapter also, and you have to learn the question answers, the book work, who said to whom at your home. Okay children, so complete your work on time. Thank you.